Hi there, today we are going to talk about inner HTML, but in order to set value and content in our HTML elements, okay? So let's go and do the exercise directly. What we have here, we have a very simple HTML document, okay? I have, let's say, a page that talks about riddles. So we have two buttons. We have a button that says as the riddle and other button that says as the answer, okay? So in the HTML document, we have H1 here. We have H1, solve the riddle. We have two buttons that I create two functions, okay, just the name, okay. The first function name is riddle, the second is solution, and I create on click event. So when I click on the button, it should execute these functions, okay. And I have two empty elements. I have the first one a P with the ID demo1, and the second one is an H2 with demo2, okay, with the ID demo2. So let's jump and create our functions and see how it works, okay. So let's create the functions, okay. The first function with the name riddle, right? Okay, so parentheses and curly brackets, okay. So in order to create this function, what we should do, first of all, we should select the element that we want to make change on it. So we want to make change on this element. We want to put content here. We want to put the riddle here, okay. So we should select this element. How can we do this? So we select the document, which is the document HTML dot get element by ID, and here the ID is the demo1, okay. We want to go to its inner HTML, and here we assign the value, okay. So the value is the riddle, okay. So what starts with T, okay. What else? And ends with T and has T in it, okay. So this is the riddle, okay. So we put the semicolon at the end of this line. If we want to see if it works, so if I click on the riddle, yes, I have here the riddle. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it. The answer, we don't have it, so we should create the other function. So let's go and create the other function, which is more or less the same, okay? Function, and the function, its name is solution, okay. So solution, parentheses, curly brackets, and document dot get element by ID, and here we change the ID to demo2, okay, demo2, and we go to its inner HTML, and let's put the assignment operator and say the answer. The answer is teapot, okay. All right, so I have here the riddle and I have here the answer. Here we have a problem, okay. I issue that we have here the riddle in the answer, okay. It's okay, but in order to just show the answer and we want to remove this riddle, how can we do this? So we go here, we copy this line, copy and paste it, and we change here to demo1 and say we don't want anything here, okay. This content, we don't like it, so let's put it empty, and okay, the empty content is with just two quotes, okay. So I have the riddle here and I have here the answer. If I come back to the riddle, I have the answer in the riddle, which is bad. Okay, so the same thing. We copy this and we paste it, and we go here and they change the 2 to empty 1, right? Like this. So here it's fine. We have the riddle, we have the answer. We have the riddle, we have the answer. This is the exercise of today that shows us how can we use innerHTML in order to set more. It shows us how can we remove the content. Okay, so good. I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.